What's up, y'all? Rapture here to bring you a tutorial video on how to get your MPK Mini connected to your MPC Essentials, and also how to get the drum pads to work. Enjoy. Okay, first you're gonna go to Preferences, and then you're gonna go right down here to the second slot that says MIDI. You're gonna click that, and then you're gonna see your device loaded up right here. It says MPK Mini MK2. You're gonna select that or select all. You can click that or you can select all if you have multiple devices plugged in. So I'll just select that. You're gonna hit OK. And your device should be connected. Okay, in order for your pads to work, you're gonna hit the program edit button, which is located right here. Then you're gonna hold down the program edit button and then press the second pad on the top left, like so. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like in the bottom and subscribe if you want to check out some more videos in the near future. Peace, y'all.